it's a Monday morning, another
Right.
week for all of us.
Yeah.
We say good morning to all the listeners tuning in this morning. We say Mbula Vinaka to the three provinces in the Northern Division.
Right.
We say Mbula Sia, Mbula Rem,
Mbula Vinaa.
Vinaa.
Right.
Mbula Vinaa, welcome to Ouch Palangi Show.
Right.
And Mataka di Bakata Missing di Kua.
Dona Binaka, a big Mbula Binaka to those tuning in from the bus,
Yeah.
the taxis, the private cars, and the rental cars, and the minibus,
Yeah.
and the school trip.
And the Mbotoka.
And the
Botoka.
botoka. You are the botoka.
Yeah. This for all the people who are joining from the river,
Right.
from the sea level.
River membetul-betul.
Thank you very much. Kokora
Gini,
tos
gini,
dulu
Sir.
betul saya.
Yeah, right,
Some
right.
of the children they cross the river.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This morning to all the captain, thank you very much for their supportive.
Yeah.
Captain Cook.
Yeah, Captain Kungur na bola.
Good morning,
Yeah.
Demesi.
Good morning, Mr. Mikaele.
How are you?
I'm good. Kodi tuineta
Right.
bese kobe buniwanga mbule bena katuranga tau boni ni bela ka aubu.
Yeah.
Era sema buli mai VNMC Prasad my Frankfurt my chamani.
Good morning, good morning, good
Tunga be
morning.
mata ni tikina mai ni rai.
Right.
Oh mal ni bosa dholati.
Esa.
Si ulabi kina tuin rabutu seru kur mai ra.
Yeah.
Jos mbale sione maksiale sabena dana riba.
Okay.
Dombola doyan rabinaka.
A big Mbula Binaka to those tuning in on the VDFM TikTok account.
Yeah.
And also those tuning in on
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Subscribe, guys.
Yeah.
For those of you tuning in on the VDFM TikTok account,
Yeah.
double tap doang ano murus gori sakacita sartunga ano matagani ko siya daw.
Dono po Vinaka.
Nice shit.
Oh, bina boleh. Oh, saya takat sudah mulisati.
Eh,
Baka na iri.
iyo.
Iya.
Sisi bakal lain na budi masih.
Windmill.
May bato ko eh.
Windmill lah kan diri lagi.
Toto ka mo di.
Iya.
Kore boleh may malangi.
No, just here in the local.
Uy.
One big sale down there, one shop.
Iyo kila na damu ko asetungori.
Iya.
Basar tungangor na sini butu.
Yeah.
He knows it very well.
Kena rida mamalua.
Right.
Kena rida mamalua me bangangori like that.
Yeah.
Then merabimbikai.
Iya, berbingkai ini.
Merabimbikai ni sini butu nang rida ni na tau doko kina pakaminto na puna tau doko. Liti bakam bulu binaka laci lagi. Josuanga neori lelelan. Kam.
Ini sarap bingkai na seni butu.
Iya.
Merembika na munga.
Me besu kini kila bakani sini ndau besu na mana.
Iya.
Kuangor me kena besu.
Ngara-ngara.
Kita kasih boleh bisa mencikun matang di kuah.
Iya.
Kita bandar cikun lomba di benua. And ngono go.
Right.
Cikun eno kanda ena sasa pengarah.
Right.
And roro dua kebuka kena bi hotel di pulang isar benua.
Lo Tokyo.
Kita safari sini bikin ni.
Right.
And bakat tambi singa di
I
kuah.
was walking around the tracks on Saturday.
Yeah.
Plenty of the
Supermen.
Oh yeah, spectators.
Yeah.
Ndrua supporters.
Yeah.
They never call that Ndrua or what.
Yeah.
All they call is that you tall guy na.
Oh so.
Oh, it's a very noise pollution from there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And after that, hey, and myself laughing, and they say, hey, you from Waimanu apartment?
I would like to say good morning to one of our colleagues from there.
Where?
This is Ermasi Tasopa Wangatambu.
Who's?
Bro bete.
Yeah.
Bro goi loa but
Right.
ke nador bongo Ermasi Tasopa Wangatambu go nanon to wilti balubento to.
Right.
Kasi no dabi kina be check opera rawa.
Right.
Anda ku mai telebu. Se fana ia me kandabu ke ratu timo di mai na rua me mbua.
Yeah.
O William me batise nangumu maduata.
Right.
They send their regards this morning all the way from Lautoka
Good
from
morning, good morning.
Yeah.
Say, they must see all the every week week out.
Yeah.
We hear from you that you drink grog in Lolongwe.
Right.
Na bitalo kita sa si when you come in the next morning
Yeah.
ko set sartunga kai sartunga.
Yeah.
But today
Yeah.
it's different.
Yeah.
It's very hypertension.
Tell us about the story last
The story last night I was came back from the Anrua game.
Yeah.
I reached home 1:30
In the morning.
in the morning.
Right.
Yesterday morning.
Yesterday morning I from there have my dinner,
Yeah.
have my shower,
Eat.
then I go to sleep 3
Right.
Oi.
a.m.
All the kids will sleep.
Yeah, they all sleep, all the members of the family.
Okay, right.
So,
Who prepared the dinner?
Just myself.
Oi.
I prepare
Gitu naman
the...
mata na kay
Huh?
tangi tu kay ba.
Iyo na basukang gele. Yeah, from there then I sleep.
Yeah.
Sleep I woke up at 8:30.
Just bako sa ano binaka?
8:30 I have my breakfast at 10 o'clock.
Right.
Oi.
From 10 o'clock after the breakfast I want to sleep again.
Iya, di na sa.
Oi.
I sleep again till
Sleep alone?
5:30 I woke up in the afternoon.
Iya.
Ui.
Woke up in the afternoon, I have my lunch.
Iya.
Then after the lunch, sabi na the river from ya ketinba.
Oi.
Ya loku ya ketinba.
Lunch in the 5:30 in the afternoon.
Yeah,
That's dinner.
that goes together.
Oh, okay.
That's what we call a double up.
Oh, double up, okay, double up, okay. Top up, eh?
Then from there, we do the eating.
Oh, okay.
From there, sabi na the river came back.
Iya.
With Licky say here,
Iya.
a grog, we just grog.
Wih, gitu na tamata kukoy.
Yeah, very strong.
Very strong grog, not strong grog.
Iya.
No, you too strong.
Not strong.
You the post.
Ah?
You the post.
Alam mo ko rin na Belesiaki. So from there we do the drinking.
Right.
Till 1 this morning.
1. Oh. I want to say good morning to White Girl.
Who's Wegal?
This tuning in from the TikTok.
Ah,
Funaki lotu langi ai usai yang boleh tawa and ma from Newtown. They send their regards to you. They said when you want to drink grog,
Bulia.
you come to there. Come to there.
Krio.
Come there in Newtown.
Right. Who are they?
They are the
Artolebida.
Letul.
Okay.
From there you will
Laku,
drink
boy.
the fresh grog
Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday.
Ah,
And you will come to work on every day.
Yeah.
Every morning.
Yeah.
You will like
Feeling fresh.
fresh.
nobody is fresh from the roots of the plant.
Okay.
Yeah.
Seni
Tell
rawa.
us, tell us.
Iya.
Tata puna.
Ron betul ibu.
Endo tadi kena na yang na may vira na way ni ngunu kena.
Juice.
Iya.
Grog is a year old.
Iya.
Okay, baka yung bakin na ng bula walin dali burong and they are in the soil.
Okay.
Right,
Different season of cyclone from November to April.
Right.
They will be there in the soil.
Iya.
Okay.
So grog is a material ngor na isulu. Grog is a rough plant.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Because whatever you do in this plant,
Yeah.
you do it in a rough way.
Right.
Nyo
Ano
buta.
Iya.
When you are pulling, use
Puli.
Ha?
Puli.
Puli ko rin na makasang ka. Ay na puli.
Yeah.
So from there, you pull in a rough way.
Right,
You
right.
pull in a rough way,
Yeah.
you squeeze them,
Yeah.
you put in the soil,
Yeah.
you cut them. Some of them, they are 8 years, 6 years.
Right.
They're very bigger. You use the X
Ay.
to collaborate.
Oi.
Yo, this is for the levena.
Iya.
You pangatakin na mataw,
Yeah.
yung bola.
Iya.
From there, you will see how rough the angona is.
Okay.
You put in,
Iko kay takapata pa na wakin niya ko na mo kile mo na to.
you sa matay ba?
Kecil.
Kachi angor na ba kay...
Okay. Right.
You sa matay ba?
Yeah.
You using you plowing all the side of the angona.
Yeah. Right.
Then you try to follow the roots.
Right.
Baka muda.
Back to my roots.
Back to my roots siguro lagi dube. You use it.
Yeah, yeah.
Say, you know,
Yeah.
you follow. Balitan na the longer the roots,
Yeah.
the bigger the dollar.
Oi.
Okay.
Iyo, erndo we're na some of the middlemen in the town, they just take the root.
Iya.
When they check the root, oh, guda ruta.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wakabinaka.
Right.
Iyo.
Some people say that grog is connected
Yeah.
to evil. Is that right?
That's right, from the one in Kuka.
Oh no.
I don't know, because some of them, they use it as power tool. You know,
Okay.
power tool is coming from the word
Yeah.
power.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
everything you can do that in depend on how you believe, and how your
Yeah.
meditate works in a public area.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
it's very
Yeah.
consecutive.
Okay. Let's say
Apa?
when you come and drink grog in the night, when you in the morning like this and you're not feeling well,
Yeah.
must be some of those,
Iya.
connection
Yeah.
is still there.
Yeah.
They're dragging you down.
No.
Okay. Fine.
There is no connection between everything, but
Yeah.
when you drink the grog,
Yeah.
you use your head. That's a lesson we learn.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you drink grog, you use your head.
Okay.
Abo-
If you think
Yeah.
you use your head, you know, sometimes we drink grog, we just drinking for fun.
Yeah.
When fun is there, sometimes it's gone.
Okay.
The early in the morning, the rough you are.
Yeah.
Okay.
You feel the
You
consequences
can
of
feel
what
the
you do.
consequence. Sometimes you sleep, your membrane, your brain
Right.
doesn't not work in off a letter.
Okay.
Kila
Yeah.
like pakai bola.
Like a computer.
Like a computer to,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the work of the Angona. JK is asking,
Yeah.
the Messi, why you take the photo of the painting last week? Then Abu should throw your clothes outside.
The Rome, the Rumilangi.
Okay, to finish off our story this morning.
Right.
Kuna veka nadhani Angona, please.
The consequence of the grog is this.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can wake up early
Right. One,
in the morning. Sometimes we hate our girlfriend.
Right.
two.
Yeah.
Right.
Sometimes
Girlfriend, wife, everything.
a wife everything.
Yeah.
Sometimes when we drink grog, we does not complete any of our work.
Right.
Three.
We cancel our program.
Right.
Yeah. Four.
Sick leave.
We sick leave, we say we sick, we don't sick.
Yeah.
We are grogger.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Five.
Five.
Yeah.
5 is when you see the grog
Yeah.
is affect your
Membrane.
membrane.
Yeah.
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 Everything will becoming less.
Yeah.
You'll become a lessness.
Yeah.
Right.
You'll become hungriness.
Yeah.
Right.
You'll become wokaliness.
Right.
Kung ano sabi sa akin.
Yeah.
You'll become
Loneliness.
loneliness. Yes, that's a true sap.
You can talk too much, eh?
That's a true sap.
Like you will be want to quiet, silent.
Yeah, Selen, you want to sleep in the hotness.
Right.
Everything
If
come.
I were you,
Kanan sila nga ngo Mika.
Iyo.
Songo tangan ng tibitalo ni ko.
May.
Kaya kapag ka data,
Iyo.
may bali. Kung nangunang ko na meron ni kung number roll point.
Alright.
Meron ni dabi ko na kakir may bali. May tanang bula.
Tanambula.
Nanambula may koso.
If I were you,
Yeah.
today I call in sick.
Iya.
Kol ni si kumetin ko na bola. Hungriness, chasenness,
what did
kakeresaness may nangono ko.
What did boss boss told you last week?
Uh,
When
they-
you go to Lotoka?
And you go to Lotoka, please come back on Monday.
If not,
if you call in sick,
Yeah.
they may should no more be part of the school station of this company. Or they may be ending. Or they may someone alone.
Nada po orta chuma mo sesi. Se di udin romo.
Senuitin mo mo rin nandaw may... Eh, binabalebu! Sandali, nawuni loka.
Se di udin romo.
you become canny. JK said JK.
You'll become a... Hey,
Affect your
doyan na,
nervous
doyan na.
system. And when you drink wrong, use your head. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
That's from
Sila
Namuni.
kisani yang binaka na matakango bila
Right.
senia mosese boji binabale usar. Meli. Right.
Yeah.
Ni ando binasak. Ina ko na sa kotsungaya.
Katsuto kaya?
Do bagale ko na kona.
Yeah.
Aku ningun na ko na bagale ke baka kelani do bo no muyan rambera.
Yeah.
Se bibi na ngomu
Right.
na
Bibi na dola.
bibi na dola.
Yeah.
Kuno mga bagale lai.
Dini sar.
Eh? Ang kono tsuko tsuko ng demes.
Yeah.
Ko tu bunagela ko na bunikau.
Dina.
Eh?
Baka mbaki ko ay
Baka
na.
mbaki.
Yeah.
Ko di tabu tumengo re dundu tumai.
Dondru.
Kilam na siko marmarita may ni nawaka.
Iya.
Sera yang bakin.
Ang kono mela ko batang na winimbu.
Wilili.
Yan rabinaka, do yan rabinaka may nandi. Silia kay Sani, Sani kay Silia.
Yeah.
Do yan rabinaka. Iyo.
Eh bina boleh besar lebih tokan boleh mai habis susuran rek nang ngono go me maro bina kana non da bula.
Dor binaka.
Bina lebih anda da ngundu wa imbuta pakalebu me pang termen da ngun. Ke pakada tiga na puno ando buburo totolo.
Right.
Asin do pa lagi kina menda ibo ko soni wa ye.
Saka na way.
Iya, sebasa pambutar sura menda wa ngun eh.
Dondru mo dak.
Bina boleh besar lebih tokan boleh mai me do mata maro sura bula sama sura mai salika kan burang.
Bila senian re.
FM. Go pro mundo.
Ya umika ngalo bula.
No dems.
Ni kalau ngata
Iya, ni pakading binaka. God bless.